You guys are going to love this. I accidentally stumbled upon API heaven. I found a couple websites loaded with free APIs that you can plug into any software you create. If you guys are new here, my name is Babiarz. I help non-technical people bring their software ideas to life, and I've built a toolkit I'm going to show you right now, along with a lot of other cool resources to help you build your software and do it in the quickest, simplest way. So let's dive into it. We're going to start here, itlworkshop.com. I vibe coded this toolkit completely for free. Go ahead, make your free account, and then sign in. Once you sign in, you are going to see a dashboard that looks something like this with a bunch of quick links to different tools to help you build, and then a foundational prompt generator. So you plug in your info here and it generates a prompt you can plug into your IDE like Bolt, Lovable, Replit, etc. So for example, it saves all your ideas, you type everything out, and then it generates a prompt. So that's how this works. And after a few seconds, it's going to generate a prompt, and you can even enhance it more with a custom chat GPT I made to ask you more questions, fill in the gaps, and make a stronger foundational prompt to build about 70% of your app on one click in one shot. So really, really powerful. See, as you can see, it popped up here. But that's not what I want to show you today. That's just an added free feature with this toolkit. What I want to show you is free API. So I just added this up here along with free design websites as well, where you can copy and paste different design components. I get into that on a different video you can watch. But today, free APIs, two major ones. The first one, we'll go data.gov. Tons of data for free. You just click sign up for a free API. It'll take you here, and then they'll email you an API key, and it gives you all sorts of data, thousands and thousands of data points for free. You can search a data set. So let's say you're building an app around crime statistics. You can search crime, right? And obviously the US government has tons of data on crime. All sorts of like motor vehicle collisions, arrest data, that kind of thing, or whatever it might be, whatever the data point is, climate, health, whatever. Data.gov has a ton of free data that you can plug into your app. And then now it has all that data. You don't have to go and organize it, research it, and add it manually to your app. So that's huge. Another big one. This one's massive. I just found this one, publicapis.io. So you can click here, sign up for your API key. It'll take you here. And there's tons, world news, game discovery, all different types of stuff you can find for your app. And a lot of this is free, a lot of free APIs you can get. And then some of them, I believe, are paid. I don't know which ones, or they're just public. There's tons. I haven't gone through them all myself. But this is API heaven. Really, really powerful tool to add to your tool belt as a vibe coder, as a no-code creator, where you can have thousands of free APIs, whether finance, gaming, sports, and you can plug it right in. All you would do is, let's say you open up your platform. I use Bolt, but there's a ton you can choose from. And let's say you have a project, you can just paste it in here. Or if you already have a project pulled up, you can paste it in the chat and say, hey, add this API. Or you can go into your secrets section, and I'll show you what that looks like right here. So in Bolt, if you go to more options and go to secrets, you can add any APIs to your database. So it will use that for all the data information. And I would just instruct Bolt down here in the bottom, like, hey, use this API for X in my application. And then it knows to pull from that when it's showcasing whatever it's showcasing, right? So quick tip to plug in APIs. I did this with the client. She's building a really cool like spinning globe where you can search things and the globe will spin and it'll show a historical event or an invention or a crime statistic or whatever. And we just pulled some APIs in that are free, and it has all that data, and it's really powerful, really valuable. So I hope that helps, guys. Just a quick little video, free APIs. Go to itlworkshop.com, click free APIs. I'm going to be adding more, so check back here often. Check around everything else. I have a free community. I do one-on-one calls. Book a call with me. I have my YouTube channel with a bunch of free training videos, so check out some of my other videos. But trying to provide as much valuable as possible to you guys to crush it with your no-code creation. So if this was helpful, valuable, comment, like, subscribe, let me know. Cheers.